I literally stopped the last video like a minute back down there, down that road. Oh, that's a nice view, but I don't want to hit any cars, so let's look straight. Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to make this video let's enjoy this view a little bit, actually, before I talk about the topic and all that. Let's not enjoy the traffic, just the view. So yeah, I wanted to make this video separate than my last video just because I am announcing the giveaway winner of the Scorpion Exo ST 1400 helmet, the full exposed carbon helmet. I believe that most companies are low on stock on Scorpion helmets, because if you guys don't know, I ordered the Scorpion carbon helmet and it's on back order, so it's going to be either the dry or wet carbon, whatever the winner decides, or if they want to wait, if it's on back order or anything like that. So you guys, literally, I'll be talking to you, whoever wins, and we'll decide together what they want to do. But yeah, we're just gonna do like a chill ride, and then when we get back or stop somewhere, we'll show you guys who's the winner. Like, I literally scroll in front of you guys, nothing is rigged, obviously, and I'm gonna be like, I'll let like all my DMs load, because I told you guys how to enter the giveaway. Is all you have to do is go to my Instagram and DM me a screenshot or a picture that you're pretty much subscribed to my channel. That's literally all you have to do. And yeah, we're gonna scroll, find out who the winner is, and it should be exciting. I'm even gonna change the settings on my DMs to show me all the people that DM'd me, not like, because you know, if you guys don't know, Instagram has like a top DMs, which is like kind of from companies or from people that you have mutual followings or anything like that. So I'm gonna turn all that off. I'm gonna go to all my DMs to make sure that it's a fair random pick, and I'm literally just gonna load all of them. Then I'm gonna like scroll really fast. So oh my god, I just got smacked on my knee by a rock. Ow. Yeah guys, my knees have not healed yet. Lost my train of thought from the pain. So yeah, I was saying I want like a fair random pick. Whoever wins, it's like completely fair, and there's no mutual friends that we know, or he has more followers than someone. Completely fair and random. The only rule that I had is that you're supposed to be in the US, just because there's way more complications with shipping and all that stuff if you are not in the US. So that's literally the only rule that I had. You could be like, I don't know, 5 years old and enter to win this helmet. Not that you would need it, but you know. Yeah, I don't know why I'm not going the carpool lane. So we'll stop by somewhere and we will pick our winner. I was thinking for the future, I want to do like the similar giveaway of either a helmet or gloves, every kind of like subscriber mark, which is like either every 100,000 or 500,000, then a million. So I'm like kind of always doing a giveaway to you guys, because I don't know, you guys support me, so I want to show some of that love and support back. Beautiful view. Sunset time is literally my favorite time to ride. I wish there was less traffic. on gravel. All right. Oh, that's a nice Huracan. Ooh, flat tire on that Z01. That Z01 is messed up. Okay, as I promised, requests. We're gonna do, you can see here I can do top requests and it changes who the people are. So we're gonna go back and do all requests just to make sure. This guy. Nope, love the channel, man. Appreciate it, bro, but try to do a giveaway. This guy replied to your story. I want to see sent a photo. This guy. Okay, we landed on someone. Alright, I guess it's this guy. Let me contact him. See if he's in the United States. If he is, then I'm going to send him the helmet. Alright, we'll see. So currently, that's the winner. You guys see he's not here anymore. If that fails, if he's not in the US or whatever, I'll do it again. I'll film it and I'll tell you guys, but I'm deciding the winner today, tonight. So it's gonna be legit, same thing. I'm gonna scroll, make sure like show you the whole process. Click on a guy, and that's the guy that's gonna win. That is pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out, ride safe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.